Morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Right, good morning, all. Am I audible now? Right, we'll go ahead. The last point, what is that we are discussing? Hmm? Hmm. See, we have types, insulators and conductors. They are substances which do not have free electrons. I can say that substances which do not have or allow are called insulators. Or the other name is non-conductors. The electrons they are bound tightly, they cannot move. So we can say that they have limited mobility. Mobility means the ability to move from one part to the other. Understood this? Whereas actually the valence electrons which move, no? The valence electrons, that means outermost electrons. Is it clear? Whereas we have conductors. Why? Because conductors have, that means the outermost electron can move from one part, one atom to the other atom. Understood this? Is it clear? So that is the reason why whenever charge is given to a conductor, it always spreads over its surface. You suppose this is one conductor. You place some charge inside. Remember that this charge will not stay there. This charge will be, because there will be repulsion among like charges, no? Due to the repulsion among like charges, what will happen? They try to go far apart or not? There is a mutual repulsion among these charges, no? Because they are all like charges or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
That means the entire charge will reside only on the outermost surface. Okay, the charge will be moving on to the outermost surface. This charge will come understood this. Is it clear? The only difference is, as far as the behavior of a conductor and insulator is concerned, we discuss only very simple thing. That is nothing but, suppose it's an insulator, it's a conductor. Now on the other hand, suppose an insulator, say wood or something. Now we are given some charge here. Remember that the charge stays there only. It cannot go anywhere. Understood this? Understood this or not?
Sir, here also there will be repulsion, and it
Pardon?
will be here also the charges will repel no, sir, and it
But
will go to the surface.
yes, man, 100 people are kept in a room. They want to go out, but doors are locked. Can they do?
No.
This material should allow, no? There should
Yes, sir.
be, this charge should, material is not allowing, no? Here, material does not allow, this material will allow. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Only thing as far as our physics is concerned, conductor, any charge is given to a conductor, it comes to the outermost surface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell an example of an insulator which you have come across regularly? You talk about that.
Rubber.
Hmm?
Rubber.
Simply speaking, nucleus, man. Nucleus, all the positive charges are in one place. Are they going away?
No.
No, sir.
That means nucleus behaves like an insulator only, no? It is not allowing
Yes,
the
sir.
charges to move apart, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear,
Shall I
sir.
turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn the page? See, suppose there is a soap bubble. Now, this is having a radius r. You are giving some charge to this. When you give charge, say you are giving charge to the outer surface only. Bubble means entire, the inside air will be there. No? Now, what will happen? Can you tell? The radius will increase or decrease, or remain same?
Increase.
See, there will repulsion between these charges. No, they repel. No, due to mutual repulsion. Understood this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Right. So when you give charge, how does the charge reside? We should know. See, remember that we'll prove this shortly. Radius of the curvature. For example, if you take a sphere, R is same at every point, no?
Yes, sir.
So everywhere you have same in charge per unit area is same. Now suppose we have some body like this. Can you tell charge will be more where? See, this is having more radius or less radius? This point.
More radius.
Maximum is here only. For example, this is circle. Go on bending like this. What is happening? The radius is going on decreasing, no? Sorry, increasing, no? So the sharp edges have
More radius.
Understood this or not? Is it clear? Therefore, what happens? More means what will happen? See,
Less charge.
that's what I told. More or less, you have to decide like this. Is the radius now? Agree? Now,
Yes.
as you bend this further, 1 second. Sharp point means it's a point one. For example, if you take like this is the maximum radius. Okay, now you take only this part. This is subtend less angle, no? This is subtend less angle, no? Theta is going on like this. Agreed? Again, you take like this. It will become like this. You learned about curvature in mathematics, huh? Not radius, curvature.
Perfect.
Okay, we'll do one thing. 1 second, wait. At least you know solid angle, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Solid angle. 1 second, wait. If you know solid angle, we can explain. Okay. You'll come across something in mathematics solid angle. For the timing, just remember one thing. Sharp points if you remember this, that's enough. Okay. Now you can see that how does charge distribution take place, we need to know. So here is surface charge density is proportional to 1 by radius of curvature. That means sigma is proposed to 1 by r. So if you take this, you can see it's a sharp point. So what will happen?
Less radius of conversion.
More means less means more, no?
Yes.
Did you ever observe antennas will be having very sharp? Did you ever observe this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Antennas are sharp.
Because antennas, the sharp edges only will be absorbing the charge from the electromagnetic wave. Through that it will be passed. Anyhow, we shall see that in communications. Understood this? Note on this.
Yes. No answer.
Will you turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
See, what is actually lightning? Did you ever see lightning? See,
So,
actually there will be lightning is nothing but when you are having moisture in the air. Moisture is nothing but small water droplets, no? That means now in the atmosphere, what you are seeing two things: water droplets plus air. So the water droplets will lose the electrons during when air molecules collide with it. During collisions, what will happen? Some energy is transferred, no? Due to which the electrons will come out. Therefore, the water molecules will become positive because they lose some electrons, no? So we have clouds like this. Clouds are nothing but these are nothing water molecule clubbed together, no? So there is a chance that some portions may be negative, some portions may be positive. So this is positive, this may be negative. Like that, clouds will be there. When two clouds come together, what will happen? They recombine, no? They agree with this or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When they recombine, what will happen? When recombination takes place, they're recombining for which purpose they are recombining? To attain stability only, no?
Yes, sir.
Why does an electron from higher orbit drop to lower orbit? To attain stability only, no?
Stability, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here also recombination of electrons with the positive charges gets neutralized due to for stability. So whenever recombination takes, why stability? When stability will come? Stability means it should have minimum energy. Stability means it should possess minimum energy. Remember that? Forgot?
Yes. Remember.
Stability means it should have minimum energy. That means they lose energy like this. Okay. this energy, suppose it's a tall building is there. Okay, this energy passes through the building, okay, in the form of light or heat. So when energy passes through a building consists of what actually? Most of our body or any object consists of water content. Most of that will contain that cement and all. What does it have inside? Water content. Now moisture will be there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
now what will happen? These water molecules will get polarized. That means all negative will come because of this external energy they get polarized. Understood this or not? Therefore, when in building molecule they get polarized, what will happen? Cracks will develop. Now you can see buildings cracks will be developed.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
ever observe that? So to protect the building, what we do is we will keep one rod here, which is very sharp. We can observe tall buildings must have this. So this is connected to the ground. So whenever these charges, clouds come nearer the building, this because sharp edges will be absorbing more charge. So this charge will go through the rod to the ground, thus protecting the building. Understood that? Instead of the
Yes, sir.
charge passing through the building, the rod will be absorbing. Sharp edge of the rod will absorb the entire charge and it goes to the earth. Thus the building is protected. Understood this? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that is only called a lightning rod. So lightning rod with one of their hands earth, while the other sharp. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, this second last statement at charge edges, sir.
Hmm. Sharp, sharp.
Charge. Yes.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear. Yes.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done.
Yes.
Right. Now you have come across the word called earthing
Yes.
or grounding. What is actually the meaning of this? We should know. So here you can see that the core, as you go deep inside the earth, what will happen? Temperature will increase or decrease?
Increase.
It will be very hot. So go on to the core, that is the central region of the earth. It will be how temperature will be very high. When temperature is very high, what will happen? Can you tell? Matter will exist in the form of what?
So
Liquid.
liquid.
Plasma.
Plasma. That means they won't be neutral atoms. There will be electrons and ions. Okay. There will be electrons and ions. There are several electrons and ions inside the earth. That is the core. So I can say that earth can be regarded as an ocean of charged particles. Do you agree with that?
Yes,
Earth
yes.
can be regarded as the ocean of charges. Why? Because at the core of the earth there are large number of free electrons and ions. Followed this point very clearly.
Yes.
Now, from a ocean, you remove a bucket of water. What is the what do you call that ocean or river? One bucket you have taken.
So oceans.
Ocean. You add 10 buckets of water, still it will be ocean, no? That
Yes.
means from an ocean, if you remove some charge or add some charge, sorry, if you remove some water or add some water, it doesn't make much difference. Similarly, Earth can be considered a reservoir of large number of charges. Any charge is given to it, taken from it, will not make it charge diffusion. Still, it has infinite number of charges only. Understood this? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I can say that sea or ocean is a very large reservoir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
On the whole, Earth is electrically neutral. See, every point I am explaining has a connectivity with one chapter. Follow carefully.
Yes, sir.
So, by any means, if we take out do you agree with this?
And it will
Yes.
still remain neutral, no, sir?
Hmm. So I can say that Earth understood this. Hello.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
You remember later on we have charge on a body is capacitance into potential. This is called capacity of a body. There is one chapter on that. This is another chapter, potential of body. Okay. Now you can see what is V then Q by C.
Two by
For
C.
Earth, what is the capacity?
Infinity.
Therefore, potential is what?
Zero.
That is the reason why we regard Earth as zero potential. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
So 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
See, we learn that and we shall prove shortly that positive charge from where to where?
So high potential to low potential. Yes, sir.
Agreed. Whereas negative charge do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So here, suppose it's a body, a positively charged body. What is this body? Positively charged body. Okay. So suppose this is an insulator. Now, if you connect a wire to the earth, then you just connect one wire to the earth. See, this is a symbol for earthing. Hello, you followed or not?
Yes, sir.
That means it's a wire. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Wire connecting the body to earth. Okay. Now, here, which is at higher potential, can you tell?
Body.
Earth he is having zero potential.
Yes, sir. Zero potential.
It's a
This is
positive.
positive potential. So, which is higher?
It's positive.
Positive potential. Potential of body.
What will happen?
Positive charge will
Electrons.
come.
Actually, positive charge will never move. Remember, it is electrons which will move. We generally say motion of positive charge means it is nothing but electrons move in the opposite direction. Okay, if I say that positive charge is moving from left to right, I mean to say that electrons are moving from right to left. It is actually the electrons only will move. But however, they bought one thing, there is something called semiconductors. Later on, you'll come across that. So, in the chapter, there is something called holes. We'll discuss all that. To avoid confusion later, the current or motion of positive charges is nothing but opposite to motion of electrons. In reality, electrons only will move. So, here, electrons move from where to where?
Add to the body
Into
positive.
the high potential.
Hmm? Earth to
From
body, no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
So
from
electrons
low
will
potential.
move like this. Understood this? Till when they'll move,
So,
both till the body to till both body and earth.
so potential.
Do you agree with this? In other words,
That is zero potential.
that is what we say in our switchboards and all neutral. Third point will be the earth point. That means that is a neutral point. Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear?
clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
So, 1 minute, sir. Please.
Similarly, if this is a negatively charged body placed on an insulating stand, it is connected to earth. What will happen? This is at zero potential, no?
Yes, sir. Zero potential.
So charge moves from where to where? This is at low potential, high potential.
Sir,
Which is higher, man?
negative charge. High potential. Sorry, sir.
You agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Therefore, what will happen? Earth is at higher potential, this is low. So electrons will move from
lower potential to high potential.
zero potential. Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Understood what is happening while grinding?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Finish? Shall I turn the page?
Okay.
2 minutes.
Please.
See, I'm telling these are all basics for your future second year syllabus. Almost, I think, 20 chapters or 25 chapters are linked with this charges. Till alternating currents, we'll be using this concept. Every point I'm explaining so many times because later on, it will not feel difficult. It's not like a first year, a physical time, a pre-diagram, that is different. Compared to that, second year, we need more concepts. Shall I turn this?
One
Sir,
minute,
how
sir.
it is at higher potential, sir? It is
Pa-
having zero potential.
This is negative, no? Minus 2 is more or 0 is more?
I think it is less. Minus more.
Do you agree or
Sir,
not?
yes, sir. Zero more, sir. Zero. At zero. Understood, sir.
I wrote here, see.
Yes, sir. Zero is more.
Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how can you charge a body? Charging a body means making it to lose electrons or gain electrons, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? So, methods of charging. See, actually, how can you remove an electron and add an electron? Can you tell? Basic knowledge. How can we?
By supplying energy.
When you supply energy, the electron gains that, so it will go to higher orbit. If you supply enough energy that it passes the last available valence orbit also, it will become a free electron. That free electron, because it has energy, it can be transferred to the other body. Understood this or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear? So methods of charging is somehow we have to supply an energy. So usually what we do is by friction. That is The second one is by conduction. By induction. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Completed? Right. See, the two bodies are rubbed together. So that electrons are transferred from one body to the other. What are the body which lost becomes partially charged, no?
Yes, sir. The body received is negatively charged.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
So experimentally for many days people who are having no work they tried different materials they rubbed and they found that if two bodies from the following list are rubbed, suppose you take any two bodies are rubbed, then the body appearing early in the list is positively charged. Is negatively charged. the list is for glass, silk, human body, cotton, wood, sealing wax, amber, resin, sulfur, rubber, ebonite. So this is the things that is given in your NCERT. No need to memorize. It's only for sake of continuous and taking. Suppose if I rub silk and sealing wax, what will happen?
Silk will be positively charged.
Rubbed with
Sealing wax.
sealing wax, which is coming earlier. The body appearing early in the list. This is early, no? So this will be
Yes, sir.
what comes
Positively
early, no?
charged.
Yes, sir.
Positive.
Will be positively charged.
So this is positive, and this is negatively charged.
Negatively charged.
Other than that, don't waste time by memorizing all this nonsense. Okay, it is given in the NCERT. Just explain. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now clouds are also charged, no?
Yes, sir.
How? By friction only. When
Yes.
clouds come nearer, they rub each other. Because of that only, later on, when clouds rub each other, they become charged. When these charges again recombine, energy is appearing in the form of what? Lightning and thunder. Light and sound. Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Remember that very important point. You want to charge by friction. One of them has to be an insulator because the charge after the, if it is a conductor, the charge it lost again goes back, no? Conductor means free allowing only, no? A charge can easily enter and come out. But insulator means it won't allow back. When you rub it, the electrons comes out from the outermost valence shell. After that it cannot because insulator will not allow electrons to pass through them, no?
Yes,
What are
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Right. Now the next point is this is about charging by friction. Let us see what is induction. Suppose it's a neutral body. It's a body to be charged. Agree? Now this is you keep it on an insulating stand. This is an insulating stand. Insulating stand means charge cannot come from this, no? Even if now what I do is the first fundamental thing is suppose I want to bring it positively charged. I'll get one rod, some rod which is positively charged. When I bring a positively charged, yesterday we learned due to polarization what will happen? Negative charges will appear here. Yesterday we learned, remember?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Yes, sir.
Remember here charges won't come. I told you polarization will take place, dipoles will be there. All that story, remember this?
Remember? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Remember.
Yes, sir.
So this will recombine, neutralization takes place, negative positive will be there. Don't think electrons will come and sit here. This is the process. Now this stand is still there. Agree? Now the same body this is a negative. Now I'll connect it to earth. When I connect it to the earth, this is high potential, this is low potential. Now what will happen? Electrons will move like this now.
Yes, sir.
When electrons are moving, see remember, these will not flow. Can you tell why?
Sir, because there is low potential.
No. They are binded because these are binded to this. Because of an attraction force, they cannot move. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, even the electrons try to, this cannot move because they are binded to this rod. That's why do not remove the rod. Now you remove the earthing wire. Keep the rod as it is. Earthing wire is removed. Followed? Now you remove this rod. When your rod is removed, this charge, see, all these are negative charges now. There will be repulsion now. When there is repulsion, what will happen? They will go far away now. So they go far away to this.
On the surface.
Being a conductor, they come onto the surface. I told you already that, no? So this is, you can see the process. This is what you call it as induction. Please observe that at any point there is no touching. Understood this? Follow the steps. So remember that whatever body you are using, positive means you will get negative. If you bring this negative, this will become positive. Understood this or not? If suppose insulator stand is not there, no? The moment you remove this, the charge will go to the earth, no? Again, it won't stay here, no? We want the body to be charged. You are filling a bottle, a bottom you are removing. What is the use in filling?
No,
So if you use an insulator, there hole means water will go out. Here insulator is there means water will, the charge will not go. If it is a conductor, it will go. Understood this?
Yes.
yes,
Completed, man.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
You're keeping like this. Now all electrons are neutralized this now. This is the earthware. In the final position, you'll get this. Electrons are neutralized this positive charge. This cannot move. Why? Because they are binded to this. Now remove the wire. Still it will be binded now. Now remove the rod. All these charges repel each other and they spread like this onto the surface. I'm just showing this. No more further electrons will flow because all positive charges have vanished now or neutralized now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, in C, it is at higher potential because of rod, sir.
Which one?
In C.
In
C, sir. C.
C. What do you want?
The rod, it is at higher potential.
This rod is a positive and higher one. No? It is not touching, remember. It should be kept farther. If you touch it, that becomes conduction.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir, done.
So I can say that if a charged body, this is a neutral body, is an insulating stand. So here, whenever you bring it, any other charged body, suppose I bring charged body here, then this side will be, the charges will be polarized. So this is a situation you'll have. This process is what we call it as induction. So if okay,
Yes.
Follow till here?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Is inducing body. This is what we call it as is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Understood this? See, if this is positive, finally what you got earlier?
Negative means also
See,
stop.
if this is positive, you are getting negative or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Positive inducing charge, induced charge. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, one minute, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
So here remember, everybody can, wood is there, you cannot charge wood very easily because there are some parameters which controls. So suppose we say if Q dash is induced charge and Q is inducing charge. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, there is one material property. K is dielectric, this is called dielectric constant, or we'll discuss this at length, relative permittivity. Is a material property, just like density, quotient of linear expansion, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Then,
Yes, sir.
see, we shall prove this relation in one chapter called Gauss law. The induced charge is minus into 1 minus 1 by k. We shall prove this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Following, sir. 1 minute, sir.
So depending upon the material, suppose K is 0, then this will be infinity.
Yes, sir. So this K is capital K or small K, sir?
Anything.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
So each one I'll prove that one by one. For metals, K is infinity. Therefore, what will happen? Q dash equals minus Q into, agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree.
K is less than infinity. Therefore, Q dash is less than Q. Understood this? So I can say that followed.
Yes, sir. Follow, sir.
And remember that induction takes place in bodies, not in particles, because particles won't have much space now to get polarization. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So last point for today's class is induction takes place
at the body.
only in bodies. The bodies may be either conducting
All instruments.
or non-conducting,
One. Yes.
because polarization can take place in any material. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right then. We will continue in tomorrow's class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any
Tomorrow,
doubts are there?
No, sir.
tomorrow, sir. Yes. So tomorrow, same time, no, sir.
Same time only,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes,
this
sir.
is pandemic. And there is no question of holidays and all. Because anyhow you are given that Eid holiday, Ramjan holidays.
Are we having exam, sir?
No, there is no exam. No, this is next week onwards after Ramjan. You have 7th onwards vacation. Only this 7th or 8th somewhere. When is your Eid, man?
On 14, sir.
14, I
They'll
think.
so on 10th they'll be giving. So 10th to some 25th or something. 2 weeks they'll give. So anyhow, that is the reason why cooperate now. Okay, right then.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
remember that I'm teaching for your good, man, not for me. For me, it is holiday only actually.
So we understand, sir. We understand, sir.
Right then.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you
Bye.
for that.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.